Oh, I have not started recording. Now I have started recording. So I am starting the poem from beginning. Sea webs, golden sand, pilgrim's faith, Rameswaram Mosque Street, all merge into one, my mother. You come to me like heaven's caring arms. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil. Sea webs, golden sand, pilgrim's faith, Rameswaram Mosque Street, all are places. APJ Abdul Kalam lived in Rameshwaram. His native place is Rameshwaram. So when he remember his mother, these four places come in his mind, and it looks like that all the four places become one. Places are at their different, at their certain means places are at their fixed place, but it is the poet who used to visit these places very often. So it looks like they are one. Why he visits the place, we will come to know later on. You come to me like heaven's caring arm. The poet is calling here, the poet is considering the presence of his mother as the presence of a we can say that Almighty, presence of the Almighty. Heaven's carrying arms means God's arm. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil. Means during war days, life was very difficult. Miles to walk, hours before sunrise. Walking to take lessons from the saintly teacher near the temple. Again, miles to the Arab teaching school. The poet had to walk miles, hours before sunrise. Why did he walk so long? And why did he walk in the morning? Because he had to do so many things. First thing, what he had to do? He had to go to the teacher near the temple to take lessons. Then he had to go to Arab teaching school. So in this way, he had to walk a lot. Rameswaram Mosque Street. What does it mean? The poet lived in a house on the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. War days. What does it mean? War days means we are talking about World War II. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931. So the reference is to World War II that broke out in 1939. Clear? Climb sandy hills to railway station road. First he had to go to Arab teaching. First he had to go to the teacher near the temple. Then he had to go to Arab teaching school. After that, he had to go to railway station. Why he had to go to railway station road? Because he had to collect and distribute. What happened? He had to collect and distribute newspapers. Means financial. What happened? What did you say? I could not understand. What happened? I am going to mute.
मैम संजीव कुमार को मैम
Should I mute everyone?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am allowing you people to unmute yourselves. Okay. But don't unmute unless and until it is.
No, ma'am.
So the financial condition of the family was not good. So he had to do some work to get money. So he had to collect and distribute newspapers. That's why he had to climb sandy hills, and he had to go to railway station road. He had to go to Temple City Citizens because uh, he used to distribute. He had to collect and distribute newspapers. Few hours after sunrise, going to his school. So these things he had to do before the sunrise, and after few hours after sunrise, he had to go to school as all children do. Evening business time before study at night. And so after that, in evening also, he had to do some work to earn money for the family. All this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength. The poet is telling that the life was very difficult. It was, suppose that if you are to lead this life only for one day, would you find it very difficult? Will you find it difficult
Yes,
or not? Is it very difficult?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, he was also a boy. He was also a human being as we are. So he must be getting tired. But all this pain of a young boy, you transformed into pious strength. All this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength. Pious means very sacred, pavitra. So he's telling that. So it was very painful to lead such a life, but I didn't feel any problem because my mother, you transformed all the pain into pious strength. Means all the pain becomes strength. How the pain becomes strength? Now we will read it.
Ma'am, pious का meaning?
पवित्र. पायस का मीनिंग ये पवित्र होता है. Related to religion, religious, जैसे ऐसे होली बोलते हैं ना, it's a holy book. Gita is a holy book, Ramayana is a holy book. In this way, pious related to such type of feeling. So my mother, you transformed into pious strength with kneeling and bowing 5 times. How did the mother transform the pain into pious strength? By kneeling and bowing 5 times a day. What is kneeling and bowing 5 times a day? Every religion has certain type of customs, and APJ Abdul Kalam, we can say that kneeling and bowing is referred as performing namaz. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mother used to perform namaz 5 times a day. And why did she do? So, for the grace of the Almighty only, my mother, your strong piety is your children's strength. Why did mother used to kneel and bow 5 times a day? To get the blessings of the Almighty.
God.
To get the grace of the supreme power. What is the supreme power? God.
God.
Your strong piety is your children's strength. You always shared your best with whoever needed the most. So,
yes, ma'am.
Grandmother is APJ Abdul Kalam is telling that Your strong belief in religion, your strong belief in God is our strength. Your children's strength means our strength. APJ Abdul Kalam is talking about him and his siblings. You always shared your best with whoever needed the most. You always gave and gave with faith in him. Him, here it is written with capital letter. Why? Because him has been referred for, used for God Almighty. So APJ Abdul Kalam is telling that mother, you always shared your best. With whom? Whoever needed the most. APJ Abdul Kalam must be needing the most because he was the only one who used to work that much. So he must be getting extra. And how did she share? How did she give? She gave with faith in God. She used to feel that if she will do something for religiously, God will be with her children.
Yes, ma'am.
Still remember the day when I was 10. Now APJ Abdul Kalam is remembering one incident when he was 10 years old, sleeping on your lap to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. APJ Abdul Kalam was sleeping on the lap of his mother, and brother and sisters were feeling jealous. They also wanted the same attraction. You have also experienced that when mother is taking your care, your brother and sister, they feel it bad. They also want the same attraction, isn't it? This is very common.
Feel jealous.
Feeling of jealous, it is very common. It was full moon night. My world, only you knew. Mother, my mother. He is telling that no one knew my world. What is his world? The time, the difficulties, the day-to-day activities. It was only his world. So he is telling that only you knew my struggles, only you knew my difficulties. And it when he is what was the time? It was full moon night, full moon night. When at midnight I woke up, that was another one incident when he was sleeping in his mother's lap and brother and sister were feeling jealous. Now it is another incident that took place at the day of full moon night, and at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knees. APJ Abdul Kalam was in pain. He got up in the midnight. He got up at midnight and he was weeping. Tears was falling on his knees. You knew the pain of my mother. And he is telling that, mother, you knew the pain of your child. He didn't say anything, not even a single word to his mother, but mother understood everything. You knew the pain of your child, my mother, your caring hand tenderly removing the pain. And mother didn't give any medicine. Mother just, she patted his head, head. You can say his body. Means she showed her love and affection, and his pain was removed. to face the hug. Your love, your care, your faith gave me strength. From where did APJ Abdul Kalam gathered strength? From the love of his mother, care of his mother, and faith of his mother. To face the world without fear and with his strength. His strength means the strength of God. What did the mother taught him? Mother taught him to face the world, to face the situation. World is here means to face the situation without any fear and with the strength of the God. We will meet again on the great judgment day, my mother. APJ Abdul Kalam is telling that mother, we will meet again on the great judgment day. What does this mean? Great judgment day? It is considered
मैम आप म्यूट हो गई। मैम आप म्यूट हैं।
मैम आप म्यूट हैं।
मैम अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
मैम आप म्यूट है।
Ma'am, you have muted yourself.
म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Hello, ma'am.
hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Now voice is coming now.
Ma'am, आप
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, आवाज आ रही है।
Something happened to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
laptop.
गलती से हो गई थी, आप mute.
I didn't do anything, but something went wrong. I don't know why. Okay. So here we are talking about the Great Judgment Day. Okay, the Great Judgment Day means it is considered that a day will come. Hello. It is considered that a day will come when all the departed soul will meet together. हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं क़यामत की रात. You might have heard that term.
मैम जिसमें सभी पवित्र आत्माएं एक बार फिर से मिलती हैं।
ऐसा मतलब ऐसा सोचा जाता, ऐसा ऐसी बिलीफ है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? और यहाँ तक तो समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करें क्या?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understanding the poem. As the poet thinks of his mother, several images flash across his mind. Avoid those images, write those images in the web chart. What are there? Sea webs, golden sand,
Rameswaram
Mosque Street. Okay. Now next is the poet has question number B. I am dealing with question number 1B. The poet has beautifully described some personal qualities of his mother. In the table given below, column A has a list of qualities and column B has extracts from the poem that suggests those qualities. Match the column. Helpful. So are you people?
Share your best
with whoever
needed the most.
Okay. Understanding.
You knew the of your child.
Yeah. Religious.
You always gave and gave with faith in him.
Yes. Tender.
Holding hand tenderly removing the pain.
Okay. Now next question. If wait, background sound is coming.
माइक में फूक रहा है.
कौन कर रहा है ऐसे? मैम अब ठीक है.
No, two students are there. जिसकी आवाज नहीं अब नहीं आ रही है. Now it's okay. The poet's childhood days were full of struggle. Find out a few things that the poet had to do in his childhood to help the family. So many things were there. He had to go to
collect and distribute
Wake up much before sunrise. He
The
distributed the
to collect and distribute newspaper in the morning and some other businesses in the evening.
several miles firstly to the temple and then to Arab school.
He had to walk a lot early in the morning. He had to go to he had to climb sandy hills. He had to go to railway station road, and in evening also he had to do some work to earn money for the family. Okay, so I think now the next question is question number.
not coming.
My voice is not coming. Is it okay?
Now coming.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I should mute everyone. Just a minute. Just a minute. So next question is question number 1D. You come to me like heaven's carrying arms. I remember the word is when life was challenged.
मैम एक बार सी फिर से बता दीजिए.
कौन सा? Question number C.
मैम 1C.
Question number 1C. He has to collect and he has to collect and distribute newspapers. He had to do some work in the evening also to earn money. He had to climb hills. He had to go to railway station road. In this way you can write. He had to collect and 2-3 points are okay. To help the family. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है to help the family. तो यहाँ पे ये हम लोग नहीं लिखेंगे कि वो मॉर्निंग में जाता था. He used to go to the teacher near the temple, or he had to go to Arab teaching school. That he had.
Simple में ये नहीं लिख सकते. He had to collect and distribute newspapers in the morning and some other businesses in the
We will
evening.
write that only. We will write that only. He had to earn money for the family, so he had to climb sandy hills. What was the line? It was given, na? He had to climb sandy hills to railway station road. He had to collect newspapers and he had to distribute. In the evening also, he had to do some work to earn money for the family. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we can start. Can we start question number D? 1D. You come to me like heaven's carrying arms. I remember the word is when life was challenged and 12 miles to walk, hours before sunrise. Who are you and me in the above lines?
Ma'am,
You refer to the poet's mother.
You refer to the mother?
And me refers to the
He refers to his mother and me refers to Miss
Yes.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes. Identify the figure of speech used in the first line and explain it.
Similarly, as the poet directly compares his mother's care with care of heaven.
Yeah, very good. Simile is here because comparison has been made, and this comparison has been made using light. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is next. Mention two things that made poet's life difficult. You are
Two
supposed to
things that made the poet's life difficult are war days, second, distance from home to school.
Yeah, no, you don't write war days because war days was directly not in fact affecting him. You should write that two things. One, he has to earn money. He had to collect and distribute newspapers to earn money for the family.
Family.
And he had to walk miles to take lessons from the saintly teacher near the temple, and then he had to go to Arab teaching school. Yeah?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
why did the poet have to walk so much early in the morning? A
Because he had to reach his
Lessons from the
he might
saintly
because
teacher
he
near
had
the
to
temple.
Order to reach, ma'am, as the school was miles away, in order to reach there on time, the poet had to walk much early in the morning.
Yeah, you can write it simply also. The poet had to walk so much early in the morning because he had to take lessons from the teacher near the temple, and then he had to go to Arab teaching school. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ना? अब now question number B2. All this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength with kneeling and bowing 5 times. Who is the young boy?
APJ Abdul
The
Kalam.
young boy is APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes, APJ Abdul Kalam. What pain is he talking about?
He is talking about the pain of a struggle, the pious strength.
He is
I'm
talking,
simple. He is talking about the pain of his struggle.
yeah,
Yes.
yes. He is talking about the pain of his struggle, his difficult life that he led during his childhood days. What was this pain transformed into? Pain was
The pious
transformed.
strength. The pious strength.
Ma'am, pain was transferred into fire
The
strength.
pain was transferred past strength. It took place by means of kneeling and bowing 5 times.
Yes. So his first part, what was this pain transformed into? This pain was transformed into pious strength. How did this transformation take place? This
Ma'am, when his mother
took
performed Nawaz.
kneeling and by kneeling and bowing 5 times a day. Next slide. His mother used to kneel and bow 5 times a day to get blessings of the God. Okay, or to get the grace of the God.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you understand by kneeling and bowing? Kneeling and bowing 5 times.
Healing and
According to Muslim tradition, kneeling and bowing 5 times means offering prayers to Allah or 5 times a day.
Yeah. Kneeling or bowing 5 times. Kneeling and bowing is a kind of prayer that Muslim